Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to do voice filters on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to do voice filters on TikTok. Come to the TikTok app, click on this type of screen appear. Now click on profile, click on plus mark and start to make video by selecting time and clicking on this right. Now stop this video and click on this check mark. After that click on voice changer. Here you will get an option of voice effect, voice changer or this mic. Click on this voice changer. Now select any of the voice which you want to add and click on save. This voice on your video will be filtered. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.